Hi Glamazons, welcome to Glamazon Diaries TV. Today I'm going to show you how to make an old-fashioned cocktail. That's correct, a cocktail, and this one is for my brown liquor drinkers. It is a whiskey or bourbon based drink and it's one of my favorites. Now when I go to the bar, most of the time I end up ordering either a gin martini up with a twist or an old-fashioned because they're super easy to make, and usually if the bar's crowded, that's my go-to drink, or a vodka soda, just like for a basic bar. Now old-fashioned is super easy to make. It's so simple. It requires not that many ingredients, and I want to show you how to make it if you don't have the fancy things at home like the Demerara sugar. I'm using Canadian Club whiskey, Angostura bitters, sugar, club soda, some orange rinds, an old-fashioned glass from Ralph Lauren, and a large ice cube. Start by placing 1 tablespoon of sugar in each glass, followed by 3 dashes of bitters. Then add some sparkling water and then stir to dissolve completely. This is the trick. Make sure that your sugar is completely dissolved before moving forward. Add 2 ounces of bourbon to each glass. Feel free to be a little bit generous. Place the ice cube in the glass, and now for the finishing touch, squeeze the orange rind and then rim the glass with it. Add it into the glass, stir it just a little bit more, and enjoy. Cheers!